Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily if you're new here. Today I want to share with you all my latest, newest bag from LV. I was so excited about the Spring in the City collection when it first came out, and I saw the pictures like on Instagram a couple months before the launch back in like February. So I've had this bag now for a month and I've been meaning to do this unboxing with you all. This is my favorite bag in my collection. I love the color so much. I also picked out a really cute, fun twilly bandeau that I've been looking for a while as well, that they've been sold out everywhere and all these resellers are selling them for like 3 times the price. So I was really happy I found that while I was picking up this bag in store. So yeah, like a double unboxing for you all. Let's just get right in the video and let's get started. Before the unboxing, I just wanted to remind you, if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel as that really helps me out. And if you do enjoy this unboxing, please give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so here's my new bag from the Spring in the City collection. She is so gorgeous. I also think LV is the best in terms of packaging, like by far. It's just so bold and beautiful, and they do like such beautiful details in their packaging. So here she is in this beautiful box. Literally, this box was made for big reveals. And the beautiful dust bag. My receipts and price tag in there, which will go over all those details too. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with this bag. Here she is. Isn't she so cute and teeny? This is one of my probably smallest bags I've gotten, but still very functional, so we'll go over all of the details on that. But look at how beautiful the colors are. Like, the lighting is so good today, so you can really see how beautiful the colors are. Literally just my unicorn bag. And it looks like an actual unicorn. We've got like the pinky purples here, and then the little gradient ombre into the blues over here. This is just so gorgeous, so beautiful for spring, summer. Oh my gosh, I am just so in love with it. I love the gold hardware. Like, this is just like a little fairy tale dream bag. So this was by far the most affordable item in the collection. That's why I decided to pick it up. I also thought with the shape, I like this one the best, and I'm not big on like tote bags, so that's why I decided on this cute little like shopper mini tote bag. So adorable, and the strap is inside. Matching blue strap with a little bit of pink lining on the side, as you can see here. So gorgeous. So my favorite way to wear this is as a crossbody bag. I just thought this color is so unique, and this like pattern and the style is so fun. Nothing like what I've seen before from them, and so much even prettier than the summer collection last year, the By the Pool collection. So look at this with the strap on it. The strap is not super long. It is adjustable, but definitely gonna have to keep that in mind for taller folks. Like, I'm already 5'7", and I'll show you the try-on of this. Yeah, the strap is not very long, so keep that in mind. So the exact measurements of this bag are pretty sizable, and it's about 7 inches, 7.5 inches tall, and 5.5 inches in length here. The depth is about 2 inches, 2.5 inches. This is actually perfect because you can like put your phone in from the top, so you can just grab it out really easily. So I like that. My phone even fits into the back pocket right here. So super easy access. Like, you don't have to dig for your phone because it's just sitting in there like vertically like that. So that's one thing I like about this a lot. Basic and very small. It can fit some of your daily essentials. We made this Petit Sac Plat bag, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, in the original Monogram as well. So this is their like spring take on it, which is so cute and fun. But yeah, just note that the style of this doesn't have the zipper closure on top. Another thing to know is, although this looks like their leather, it is a canvas material similar to their Monogram canvas. It does look like the leather, but yeah, this is canvas, and all of the Spring in the City collection is canvas in this material. The Neverfull, the tote bag, all of them are canvas. So that's unfortunate. I think this strap though is genuine leather, so that's good. Since you're gonna be like using this to like hold the weight of the bag, I think the leather is better for that. But yeah, let me do a little try on of the bag and show you all what it looks like on. So this is what she looks like on over the shoulder. Really nice length here. This goes like literally just above my butt right here. So nice length, and you can have these handles down, or you can have them up like a little shopper tote. I like the look when it's up better for some reason. So yeah, it looks like a little shopper tote. Definitely looks bigger on. And then here, crossbody. This is the unfortunate part. For me, I still am okay with it, but the crossbody is definitely like hitting a little higher for me. And this is the longest adjustable length here. So keep that in mind. I'm 5'7", so if that is not where you like it to land, part of it is the straps. But yeah, if I put the straps down, it like definitely works better. But yeah, that's how it lands. This is the length. And you can always change out the strap with a more like a gold chain and give it some more length. Even though I'm wearing all this pattern on me, like this still does go with my outfit. So definitely I think the colors still mix well with like florals and all your spring summer outfits, which is perfect. You can also carry it like a little shopper tote on the handles and take the strap off or leave it on. Either way, I've seen some people in pictures with the regular Sac Plat Monogram bag also just carrying this like as a little clutch kind of for a night out. I think that's so adorable with this mini bag trend we have going on. And I did already get a bag insert for this. I did get this one from AliExpress, and I wouldn't recommend it because I got the one to match this light blue interior and they sent me the wrong one, which doesn't surprise me. That's usually how things work around there. But yeah, it does fit perfectly, so it's okay. I might get another one eventually, but for now this works for me. I will say though, if you want to get a bag organizer to make sure that, you know, the inside stays like pristine, just note that that also takes up a little bit more room in the bag. So there's a little less space when you put in the organizer with pockets here. So here I have an iPhone. So I love that you can just put that in like right there and you can just grab it real quick. With the bag and the iPhone, I put my card holder in here, and that pretty much takes up most of the room. You could probably like put your keys like here on top somewhere. But yeah, again, between the card holder and the phone, that's like basically what you can fit, like maybe a lipstick, which is honestly all I really need for like certain days. If all you want is like your phone, like a keychain, put that in there. This is perfect for that. So super small, but again, I just couldn't resist with the color. This is like such a special bag. And then I kind of showed a little bit of the hardware earlier, but you can see like the little LVs on the gold chain right there, and then the little LV buttons up front. So those are some nice cute little details. Okay, so now for the second unboxing. When I ask them what kind of twillies they have in the store, usually they only have like 1 or 2 options, and they're nothing that is really my style. And today they had the pink one that I had been looking for months, since like before Christmas. And since I've been looking for this, I've definitely seen resellers selling these for like $400 or crazy amounts, just because this one's so neutral too. I'm so excited for you all to see her. And here she is. So cute. It is the pink Monogram Confidential Bandeau. I absolutely love this color. These are so gorgeous. Like the pink and gray is so beautiful. It goes with so much. It'll go with like tons of different bags. Whatever I want to put it on, like it pretty much would go for me, I think, and my style. And even as like a little like neck scarf, I think this one goes so much better than a lot of the more like loud colors. This would be so cute in the spring, just tied up with like a white like flowy top or something. So cute like that. I'm not gonna do the full tie, but yeah, so cute. I love this one. I just think it goes with so much. This one was pretty hard to find at one point, and this one was $220, as are most of their bandeaus, or I believe pretty much all of their bandeaus are priced at $220. So really not a bad deal for Louis Vuitton, just because the bandeaus are so hard to come by for some reason. And when I got the bandeau, the sales associate tied it beautifully on this bag over the handles with a little bow in the front. It got undone since then, and so I was kind of like debating on if I like that look or not, just because this is such a tiny bag. The bow like kind of almost made it look smaller. I can insert a little clip of what it looked like when they did it for me in store. I don't know what you guys think, but I think this one does look better without the bandeau personally, so I did take that off after it came off. But yeah, I have an Alma BB that I do plan on putting the bandeau on, and again as a necktie or like a little bow scarf here. For price, this was again, like I said, the most affordable of this collection, and the price is still in here. It was $19.30. So again, it's a premium on the price of the like normal design of the bag, like the brown monogram. That one I think is about $17.80 or something like that. And so this one is like 200 more than that regular monogram, just because of the exclusive, like more rare design and color. And honestly, it's worth the premium. And then the next most affordable bag in this collection above this, I believe, was either the Papillon or the Neverfull. So those were around $2,700, $2,800. So again, just to be able to get something from this collection, I'm so happy that I saw it on Instagram and then I was able to pre-order this beauty. And then I wanted to throw in like a little tip about shopping at LV, but if you didn't know, you could just ask them for a few extra sample perfumes when you're checking out. They even wrapped it in a cute little bow. They're so friendly and so nice and so helpful. Everyone I interact with there is just so sweet. And they asked me what kind of like scents I liked, and I told them like more floral, like fruity. So they gave me a little mixture of different samples to try. So nice of them. If you ask them for perfume samples and you're making a purchase, they have no problems usually giving those out to you. So don't forget to ask. It's always a nice perk to be able to try out some of the perfumes. They're not cheap after all. So definitely kind of like a fun tip there. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video unboxing. If you all did get anything from the Spring and City collection, I'd love to know. And if you enjoyed this video, please again give this a big thumbs up, and please subscribe if you aren't doing so already. Thanks again for watching everyone, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!